sa'yo, nasaan ano yan?
This wasn't here.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ikaw talaga. Sabi ko sa'yo, Tooth Fairy always has presents. Ikaw, Ate Sam, check your pillow.
Mami, didi lang. Nakatano silang. Then pagbalik ko ng 10 minutes, nandyan na.
Ayan nga ang sinasabi ko. Ate Sam, can you check your pillow? Baka meron ka rin, anak. Check mo muna sandali before sleeping again. Yung pillow mo, check mo.
We'll do it.
Ha?
We'll do it.
Ay, di ba wala kang dating gift ng Tooth Fairy? Baka ngayon isasabay niya kay Crendal para one delivery na lang. Check mo. Check mo lang sandali. 1 minute.
Because
Okay.
before you didn't put your two teeth at the...
Aba! Teka lang! Bakit? Meron din siya! Kasi dad, siguro nagtipid sa delivery ang Tooth Fairy.
Hindi!
Ano yan?
Because before, she bunot a teeth, one at the Qatar when we were seeing the fireworks, and then one when we were at the car.
Ayan, ang ganda. Mag-thank you sa Tooth Fairy.
Thank you.
Ikaw?
Thank you. I don't know what's inside here and what